Hey, how's it going, guys? Geek Shrikant here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add GIFs to your Instagram stories. So it's very simple. If you haven't updated your Instagram app, go ahead and update it, and then after you have updated it, go to your stories and take a photo, and then go to stickers. There you will see an option named GIF or GIF, and you type on it, click it, and then you get your GIFs or GIFs. So we could take anything. Let's search if there are anything under this category. There we have it. Soon you have it. You can move it around, and that's pretty much it. How to you can do it. It's really not that difficult. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like this video, give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel. And as always, hashtag thanks for watching, and talk to you guys in the next one. Be happy and stay positive.